Pala may basahan. Okay, back to the ball game. Mike Cosa versus St. Francis B. Parehong walang talo. Pakilagay na. Okay lang yan muna. Ilagay mo muna dyan para sa sulit. Okay. Start na tayo. First possession, St. Francis, number 27. Basket is good. Number 27. Ayan na ang Mike Rosa. Francisco, number 16. Number 6 goes, rebounds, Longo, recover, number 31, Wala. Number 17. Ayan na St. Francis. St. Francis, number 12. Using the ball, Wala. Wala na, number 12, the number. Protected, recovered. Ayan, and there's a foul by number 1. Number 3 pulls a 3. Recovered, number 31. Basket is good. And that's the number 12, Valentin. Valentin to number 27, Valentin. Balik kay number. That's number 20. Perimeter jumper. Basket. Number 20. 4-2 ang ating score. And the number 16. That's number 3. Back number 3. The number 16. Francisco plays the 3. Rebounds. Here's number 12. Number 12 goes Longo. Rebound by number 17. Number 17 for number. Walang bola sa number 16. And St. Francis. St. Francis number 4. Number 27 fakes. Perimeter jumper. Longo. Rebound ulit ng St. Francis yan. Number 27 pulls a 3. Overshoots. Rebound by number 17. Number 17 penetrates. Short. Rejected by the number 4. Here's the number 12, Valentin. Penetrates. Yes, sir. Number 12. Number 2 setting up. Number 6. As a number, Floro. Wala. Kuha ng malaking mama. Number 4. Number 4, number 27. Number 27, penetrates, Floro. Sablay, kuha ni number 1. Overshoots, rebound by 17. Number 17 steal against number 27. Forcing the offense in the steal by number 12. Drop pass, out of bounds. (6-5) in favor of St. Francis. As number 16 close the 3. Short. Rebound by number 4. Number 20. Valentin to number 4. Wala. Rebound by number 4. That's number 20. Umigot. Easy basket. Substitution. Platoon.
Dito, nag-umpisa, dito ka, nag-umpisa na ka, nag-start. Picturean mo to, picturean mo.
Ayun na, Mike Cosa. Mike Cosa. Rolls the 3. Malakas. Ayan na. St. Francis. Number 9. Hesitation. Floater. Wala. Rebound number 17. To number 6. Pass to number. Easy. In and out. Wala. Rebound with number 16 to number 17. To number 9. Number 16 seal. Premier rebounds. Number 16. Aring ulan. Huwag mo kami masayo. One is the number. Number 6 to number 3. Number 3. Walang bola ako ng St. Francis. St. Francis number 9. Ignacio. Tries number 16. Per-meter jumper. In and out. Recovered. Libre yan kay 17. Score natin. 13-5. Ayan na, Mike Cosa. Mike Cosa. Goes the long three. Wala. And a steal by Mike Cosa. Mike Cosa number 31. Forcing the offense. Malakas ang tira. Walang St. Francis yan. St. Francis. Number 9 per meter. Wala. Recovered by number 10. Rounded in violation. Time out. Mike Cosa. Right back to the ball game. Number 31, Mike Cosa. Number 4, as number 31. Number 31, and it wins, floats. Malakas ang tira, out of bounds. Bola na St. Francis. And St. Francis number 9 to number 17. Easy jumper, puts it in, number 17. And a Mike Cosa number 6. And number 4. As number 3. Number 3. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. Mike Cosa number 31. Delay on. Close up three. Wala. Wala na. St. Francis number 9. Number 9, nawala ang bola. Haring ulan, tumigil ka na. Ayan na si number 17. Number 9 pulls a 3. Sablay. And there's a foul number 6. Rebound ulit ni number 4 yan. And number 6, here's the basket. Yan ang St. Francis. St. Francis number 9. To number 6. Pass number 4. Malakas. Rebound by number 60. Number 16 to number 40. Number 40 to number 9. Libre si number 17.
May malaking ba? Tayong sila.
There's number 31 coming up and a steal. Still ulit to number 17. Number 17 pulls it 3 short. Rebound by number 1. Ayan na, dyan na nagtatapos sa first quarter. Ang score natin, 17-7 in favor of St. Francis. Mukhang reras pa ang St. Francis. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Ayan, si number 6. Number 6 to number 16. Number 16, Paso. Step back. Malakas rebound number 17. That is a foul. Let's follow. Foul number 1. Sideline ang tira. Number 1, second personal foul.
Dalawa ng call ng St. Francis.
Ayan na si number 16.
Isa dito. Kasi yung kwarto na ito. Nga pala. Isa lang. Isa lang pala. Isa lang.
Sablay, kuha ulit ng St. Francis yan. Short. Pasto, out of bounds. Same ball, Blues ball.
Second quarter na kamo. Sulat mo na lang. Second quarter.
There's number 17. Number 17 finds number 31 in the paint. Easy basket, number 31. Ang score natin, 17-9 in favor of the Black. Recovered number 4, Mikot spins, basket. Ay, salamat Haring Ulan at tumila ka na. Ayan, isa number 16. Sablay. Airball.
Wala, hindi nagbayad yung ano, no? Saglit. Message mo kasi revokan. Yung bayad ng ano. Hindi, message. Yung bayad ng City Tiger.
Saan? Ano ba pangalan mo?
Revokan. Hindi ninala yung bukasan.
JJ ba yun?
Revokan, type mo. Revokan, lalabas.
JJ?
Ayan na, si number 4. Basket niya, kay number 4.
Ano sabihin ko yung bayan?
Yung bayad ng team FFL.
And a steal by the St. Francis, Valentin number 12. Number 12 to number 27. And a steal by Mike Cosa. Mike Cosa number 17. Nakawala si Mike Cosa, number 17. Penetrates. Well defended basketball by St. Francis. And it's number 12. Flies basket. Numera ng 3. Ayan ba?
800 pa.
Numera, perimeter jumper number 27.
Pero dyan pa sila.
Diyan pa.
Dyan pa na. Baka kinikila lang yung ulan.
Here's number 21. Goal. Nakoya na. Number 20. And one basketball. Foul number 21. 31. First personal foul number 31.
Number 31, technical for 7 goal.
number 31. Technical for resentment to a call. The black team are awarded for one free throw, one technical free throw. And it's good. And then may dalawa pa siyang bonus. Basket. As in number 17. Mike Cosa. Cosa. And as in number 6. Forcing the offense, looking for Overman. Almost losing the ball. Finds number, floater shot, in and out. Rebound by number 4. St. Francis, number 27. Number 4, forcing the offense, puts it in. Change, Lafon. Back to the ball game. Our score is 31-9 in favor of St. Francis. 5 minutes remaining in the second quarter. And ang Mike Rosa, iba na ball, number 2, mira ng Chris, airball. Recover number 17. Pasok yan, number 17. As number 9. Number 9 to number 16. Pulls a 3. Short. Rebound by number 40. Overshoots. Number 6, number 8. Number 8 to number 3 to number 6. Number 6 steal. Finds number 3. Takes. Number 3 steal. To number 8. Number 6. Perimeter jumper. One go. Hindi number 9 yan. Libre na. Si number 17. Kaya na. Mike Rosa. Number 3. Pulls the trigger from the downtown. Overshoots. Recover number 17. Puts it in. And it's number 9. 4 meter. Basket. Number 9. Number 8. Number 8 to number 3. Number 2, drop pass to number 17. Nawala. Recovered. Only number 8. Pass to number 17. Forcing the offense. Ball defended basketball. Recovered by number 3. Number 6. Shot clock down till 6. Rolls the 3. Malakas. Out of bounds. Bola ng block. Ayan na si number 9, Ignacio. Ignacio, hesitation, finds number 17. Goes a 3, short of tira, recovered. Number 14 to number 16, nawala ang bola. Only number 17 yan. From the Mike Rosa team to number 8. Number 88, forcing the offense, Diaz, finds number 6 and number 16. Pull, short. So ayan na. Number 17.
Time out nila.
Tinatanong mo ilang time.
And a Mike goes number 3 to number 8. Number 88. Number 6 in the paint. Jumper, one go. Rebound number 18. Number 18, St. Francis. St. Francis, number 17. Puts it in. 1 minute and 22. Easy jumper number 88. Ayan na si number 9. Number 9 finds number. Naipit, nagawa na kanina number 17. And there's a foul. Wala pa.
Platon. Platon pa lang.
Di ba nasabay ako sa pagtawag sa Platon kanina? Kumagat ba yung timeout ko kanina? Kumagat?
Hindi kayo nag-timeout? O hindi? Nag-timeout ba kayo?
Oo, kaya lang nasabi sa Platon.
Hindi.
Hindi, wala pa. Hindi, isa pa lang timeout namin.
Ayan, wala sa play. Ako yung number 9 yan. Number 9. Yung number 6. Out of bounds. Parehong team, pero meron pa kayong tingin dalawang timeout in the second quarter. Jumper by number 1. Wala na yan, oh. Hindi na makikiro over yun. Kung hindi nyo gamitin yung timeout nyo, hindi makikiro over yan. Yan na si number 17, forcing the offense at the baseline. Basket. Pasok nyo lang maririnig. Number 17. Backs it in. And seconds. Steal by number 9. Number 9, sidestep. Basket is good. Score natin 45-17. We are now in the second half of this game. Ang score natin 45-17 in favor of St. Francis. Wala na tayong platoon, idol. Both teams meron tayo. Igatlong timeout. Alright, back to the ball game. Ano kayang gagawin ng Mike Cosa? Landslide ang score. Meron St. Francis, number 9, setting up the play, finds number 17. Number 17 finds number 20. Easy jumper on the baseline. And number 20. Number 88. Number 88 to number 17. For number 16. Finds number, fades. Side step, one go, rebound for number 4. Number 4 to number 9, nawala ang bola. Madalas. Haring ulan, kumila ka na. There's number 16 and number 17. Tulit taas, para nakuha ni number 20 yan. To number 9, Ignacio hesitates, in the paint, jumper, in and out. Rebound by Mike Cosa, number 88. Number 88, the number. Basket is good by number 16. Number 4, jumper, basket is good, substitution. Dapat good, mamaya na ito. Ayan na, number 17. Meron. Ay, naku, haring ulan, tumigil na. Here is number 88. They need a jumper. 2 points, number 88. Ang score, 49-20. 20 pa rin ang alabang. Number 4. Wala, rebound ni number 17 yan. Number 17. Ball ni number 88. Number 88. Penetrates. And there's a foul committed by number. Substitution. Foul number 4. Number 12. Sorry, number 12 is foul. First throw, Sablan. Second free throw is good. And it's number out of bounds. Michael sa number 3. Rebounded the ball to number 88. To number 31, almost losing the ball. And a steal by number 4. Number 4, number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 27. Short. Here. Rebound by number 31 to number 12. Number 12 setting up. Rolls a 3 from the downtown overshoots. Rebound by St. Francis, number 4. Number 4 hesitates in the paint. No long ball, recovered by number 20. And there's a foul committed by number
Sab daw sila sab.
88. Number 88, first personal foul, substitution. Substitution, pasok. Basket is good, number 20. At pumasok.
Pumasok pa ako kalawa.
Isa lang, isa lang.
Nakita kaya tayo doon.
There is number 27. Forcing the offense, one to
Dumating ka ng second quarter. Pwede.
number 12. Basket is good, number 12.
Kita ka daw eh.
Saan ka ba dumating, Idol? Anong quarter? Pero kakatapos pa lang na ano. Nag-iis na kasi ako. Kakatapos pa lang ng ano.
Out of bounds.
Basta dumating ka ng second quarter. Kahit di ka pa hindi siya dumating ng third. Sir, kakarating lang yan. Pwede pa pala rin yan. Na Idol, pag-usapan na muna namin.
Basket is good, number 12.
Usapan na natin.
Numero ng 3, number 27, 3 points. Umanat si number 88, wala. Recovered, number 7, number 6. Pass number 31. Number 31, the number 4, steal by St. Francis, number 12. Twice, and there's a foul, committed by number 12.
Bakit tayo payagan?
Foul number 12.
Kita daw kararating lang daw.
Nagpapatuyo lang sa labas yung basa kasi eh. Unang player namin eh. Sir, unang player namin eh. Kaya gusto namin paglaro eh.
Second quarter siya dumating.
Fairness kayo nila.
Dumating ba siya?
Basta hindi napasok ng bago mag-third quarter, hindi na paglalaro.
Hindi, dumating siya ng second quarter doon.
Pumasok siya.
Dumating siya ng second quarter.
Ang platong di ba dapat sa second half, sa second quarter, sa last 5 minutes, nakapasok siya. Hindi siya pumasok. Dapat kahit...
Hindi ko rin nakita eh. Second quarter, dumating siya, pero hindi siya nakapasok. Kasi nagpatuloy kasi. Bago magsimula yung third quarter, hindi siya na siya eh. Hindi lang siya nakapasok. Tapak mo yun, tapos ayaw pa ipasok.
Kung dumating naman siya ng second quarter, makakalaro pa yan. Pero kung dumating siya ng third quarter, hindi na makakalaro. So makakalaro pa siya kasi dumating siya ng second quarter kasi nagpatuyo lang siya.
Okay.
Makakalaro siya. Dumating siya ng second quarter, idol. Hindi. Hindi. Dumating na siya ng second quarter. Nagpatuyo lang siya. Oo. Oo. Okay yun. Nagpatuyo lang. Oo. Basta. Hindi nga, idol. Dumating siya ng second quarter. So, pwede. Pwede. Hindi nga. Basta dumating siya ng second quarter. Makakalaro pa rin siya, idol. Makakalaro pa rin siya. Decision ng management po yan. Decision ng management. Makakalaro po yan. Second quarter siya dumating.
Okay, pasok.
Pagka kasi dumating ng third, yun hindi pwede yun.
Okay.
Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Ayan na si Mike Rosa. Number 88. And number 11. Number 11. As to number 12, number 88, Sablay. Ron ng St. Francis yan, number 12. Number 12. Number 4. Twins, Rondo, rebound by number 88. To number 11. Number 11, lose the ball, recovered. Pass number 88. Basket is good, number 88. Pumasok. Rebound by St. Francis, number 20. Throws a 3. Recovered, number 27. Puts it in, number 27. Out of bounds. Substitution. Pasok, pasok.
Si Agona. Naglaro ba yan?
Umira, Sablay.
Meron ka.
Number 11, the number out of bounds. Same ball possession. Number 88, plays number 11. 4 meter. Sablay, nakuha yan ni number 27. Number 27 to number 12. Number 12, Valentin. Forcing the offense, pass number 17. Puts it in. Ayun na si number 11. Forcing the offense, finds number. Rondo puts it in, number 11. And a steal by number 12. Number 12. Recovered. Ryan ni number 20. Ang score natin 57-29 in this third quarter. Number 12 pulls a 3 overshoots. Rebound by number 4. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11. Ventura. Forcing. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. Number 12 pulls a 3. Recovered number 88. Puts it in. Buzzer na lang maririnig. 25 seconds pa naman tayo. Ayan na si number 12. Number 12 with the play. Floats. Puts it in. Ayan na si number 88. Naipit. Nakuha number 6. And there's a foul. Foul number 27. Number 27 first. Personal foul. And it's number 11 Ventura. 2 number. Goes a 3. Overshoots. And that is the first quarter of this game. 59-31 ang ating score. Nasa last quarter na tayo. Idol. Captain ball ng bawat team.
Boss, yung score namin.
Nasot na yan. Oo.
Number 12.
Baka talaga yan. 57 tayo galing.
Ayan ang video score natin. 59-31. Idol.
Yung mga kulang yung pasettle na. Bago
Oh,
tayo
sige, walang problema.
Sige mamaya. Quarter tayo, fourth quarter.
Fourth quarter na tayo.
Madali na naman na sa gilid. Dito to 50.
Ayan na naka-steal ang St. Francis. Number 17, Australia. Sablay ang steal niya. Ayan na si number 88, Diaz. Number 88, Diaz. Number 12, Tumira. Pasok yan kay number 12. 3 points. Number 9. Number 17, Australia, close. Overshoots, out of bounds. Same ball. Same ball possession. Australia inbounded the ball. Natabig ang bola. Same ball possession. Ayan na, and a score by number 17. And then St. Francis, number 88. Number 88, still by number 17, Australia. Kamingin pa. That's okay. Ang score natin, 63-34. And si number 11. Number 11, Ventura. The number. Throws it free. Overshoots. Rebound by St. Francis. Number 16 to number 1. Tolentino. Top line. And there's a down ball.
Double ba?
Time out, Mike Rosa. Mike Rosa, meron ba kayong dalawang time out? St. Francis, meron ba kayong tatlong time out? Right back to the ball game, 7 minutes and 28. Our score is 63-34 in favor of St. Francis. As number 12. Number 12. Number 1. As 2. Number 9. Pulls the 3. Basket. Number 9. 3 points. Sablay ang tira number 11. Number 17. Forcing the offense. Iba pa number 17. Number 17. And a drinks. And a foul by number 14.
Nangarap talaga pa kanya. Naglalaro naman.
Sablay ang unang tira ni number 17. Number 17, Sablay ang unang pangalawa. Number 9, number 16. Number 1, number 11. Number 11 forcing the offense. Wala bola out of bounds. Same ball possession. Ang score natin 66-34, 5 minutes remaining. Rules and 3, and there's a foul committed by number 17.
Number 17, tripping without contact.
Technical, number 17, tripping without contact.
Technical tayo.
Technical foul. Number 88, Diaz. Makes. Five minutes 11, 66-35. Ball possession of Mike Rosa. Mike Rosa number 11. Number 88. Takes it 3. Diaz. Rolls it 3. Won't go. Look forward. Ayan, in number 12, St. Francis. St. Francis Valentin penetrates. Recovered. Out of bounds. Lane violation. Stepping the line. Ayan na, si number 88. Nasa number 11. Ventura, closer 3. Sablay ang tira. Kuha ni number 16 yan. Number 16 to number 12. Valentin. Nasa number 9. To number 14. Reverse. As good is good.
Next game. Yun na kasi kanina, number 16.
In and out ang tira. Number 12. Valentin to number 14. De La Cruz. Sablay. Easy basket number 88. 68-37, 2 minutes and 44.
Sab daw.
Pumasok kayo doon.
Number 9. To number 16. Open 3. Short ang tira. Nako ni number. Substitution. Time remaining, 2 minutes, 29, 68-37. That is number 17. Number 17 forcing the offense. Penetrates. And a steal. Recovered by number 88. Diaz pulls the three. Basket.
Kaya isang buwan lang.
Ready number 12. Forcing the offense. Walang bola. Substitution.
Next game, mag-bis-bis na. Last 2 minutes na.
Alright, next game mag-base na. Patya Community Pharmacy versus Jamela. Pero pa tayo. Natitirang oras, 1 minute and 58. That's number 80. Number 88 penetrates in and out. Rebound by number. And a steal by number 17. And there's a foul. Committed by number 4. Number 4, first personal foul. Sablay yung uno ng tira ni number 17. 68-40. 1 minute and 39 seconds. Second basket is good for number 17. As number 9, Ignacio hesitates in the paint. Jumper is good. Number 12, Aranis. Pulls a three. Overshoots. Rebound by number 12. Number 12, steal. That's two. Is steal. Nakaulit ni St. Francis number. Floater shot, short. Rebound by number 6. 55 seconds. Yoyo. Short lang, number 27, recovered. Steal by number 88. Number 88 trades, pulls the three. Air ball. 38 seconds left. Away lang St. Francis, number 9, setting up. Number 80. Pulls the three. Sablay. Kuya na. Mike Rosa, number 88. Easy basket. Long pass to. Wala na, Mike Rosa. Time remaining 10 seconds left. Number 88 pulls the trigger from the downtown in and out. And